Hey gang, welcome to your 8-minute arm toner. 16 exercises, 30 seconds each. Work yourself into the program. If you're a beginner, you don't need to use any weight at all. If you're intermediate, tomato cans. And if you're advanced, some handheld weights. All right, first exercise is the push-up. Let's get in position. Guys, all the way up. Ladies on the knees, bring it up and then down. Right to about 3 inches above the ground and release. Up and release. Abdominals nice and tight. Streamlined look. It's working the chest, the shoulders, and the tricep. Beginners on your knees, all right? That's it. Abdominals real tight, so it's a nice streamlined look. Don't want any sagging here. Remember, beginners, start on your knees. Nice and slow and controlled. That's it. There you go. And release. All right, gang. Now we're gonna go to the flies. Lying on the back, grab the weights, and just like you're hugging a barrel, bring it up, and then release. Elbows slightly bent, bring it up, working the outer pectorals. Just like you're hugging a barrel. That's it, elbows slightly bent, abdominals nice and tight, knees up at 90 degrees. That's it, and remember to breathe. Squeeze the chest, the outer pectorals. That's it. Good form here. Squeeze, nice and tight, controlled movements. And release. Now let's go right to a chest press. Bring it up, and then release to about 2 inches above the ground, nice and easy. That's it, a chest press. Work yourselves into the weights, okay? That's it. Nice and easy, just working the chest. Squeeze tight, concentrate, abdominals nice and tight. Really focus in on the chest. That's it. Nice and easy, slow and controlled. There you go. Give you a great, sexy chest. And release. All right, gang, now slowly bring it up. We're gonna go for the back exercise. Left hand on the thigh. Now bring the weights up like you're rowing. That's it. Just like you're starting a lawnmower. You're working the latissimus dorsi, the lats, okay? You really feel this movement. Squeeze tight. This brings the body in, it brings the waist in. It flares the lats out. Nice and easy. That's it. Really focus and concentrate. There you go. Good form. And release. All right, let's go to the other side. Hands on the thighs, and then bring it up. You're working the lats. It's pulling the abdominal section in and the back. A nice V look. Looks great. Abdominals nice and tight. That's it. Controlled movements. Really feel these. It really brings in the waist. Very important. Aesthetically, it really makes it look nice. Just like you're starting a lawnmower. That's it. Nice and controlled. And release. And release. Upright rows. Bring the weights right underneath the chin, up, elbows up, and release. Abdominals nice and tight, knees slightly bent. That's it. It's working the shoulders and the traps, and also the back. There you go. Nice controlled. There you go. Good form. Nice and easy. Controlled movements. Only 8 minutes, gang. That's it. Bring them up. Very, very good. All right, gang, now we're gonna go to lateral raise, my favorite. Bring the weights out and then bring them in. Nice and controlled movement. It's working the medial part of the shoulder. Aesthetically, it really makes the waist look smaller. That's why women wear shoulder pads. Makes it look nice. We're gonna do this the natural way. Nice, sexy arms, gang. That's what it's all about. That's it. Focus in, concentrate. That's it. Nice and easy. Nice streamlined look. And release. Now let's go to the shoulder press. Just extend the weights overhead and bring them down right to here. Extend the weights overhead. We're not locking out the elbows. And release. That's it. Abdominals nice and tight, knees slightly flexed. Just extending up overhead. There you go. Focus in, concentrate. That's it. It's a really great movement for the overall shoulder muscle. There you go. A couple more good ones. Nice and easy. And release. Let's go to the front raise. Alternate arms, bring them right up to the eye level. This is working the anterior deltoid, or the front part of the shoulder. That's it. I really like to work the shoulders. It really rounds off your program nicely. Nice and smooth, controlled movements. Control. There you go. You're doing great. Focus in. Nice and easy. And release. Now let's go to the rear delt raises. Knee slightly bent, back straight. Bring the arms out and release. Bring the arms out. This is working the rear delts, back part of your shoulders. That's it. Keep everything nice and firm. Slow and controlled movements. You can see the muscles being worked. Squeeze tight. Remember, gang, beginners, go at your own pace and work into the weights. And you can use any weights. And release. Okay, bicep curls. Abdominals nice and tight. Bring the arms up. Squeeze the front of the arms and release. Tighten up. That's it. Squeeze. Very, very good. It's a great upper body movement. Squeeze. That's it. Control. Right there. Beginners can do this, intermediate or advanced. Nice and simple. They're good form exercises. And release. Now let's go for the tricep kickback. Right elbow up at 90 degrees, bend over and slowly bring it back. Squeeze the back of the arms, tricep kickback. There you go. Elbow stays at 90 degrees. It's very important to have good form. I don't want you way down here. We need a contraction right there. You can see the muscle being worked. Squeeze it tight. There you go. Good form here. Focus in. It really works. And really tighten up the back of your arms. That's it. Control. And release. Let's go to the other side. Left elbow up and bring it back and squeeze. That's it. Focus in. Concentrate. Right there. Ladies, you want to tighten up the back of the arms. It's a great exercise for you. Right there. It's the only way to do it correctly. Good form. And control. That's it. Nice and easy. More good ones. That's it. Squeeze. Squeeze the muscle. And release. Now, concentrated curls. Legs slightly flexed here. Right elbow on the thigh. And bring it up. You're working the bicep. The right bicep. Squeeze. That's it. Again, you can see the muscle being worked. Squeeze it. There you go. Focus in. You're doing great. Keep it up. That's it. Oh, nice, good ones. Here we go. There you go. Squeeze and release. Go left side. Right on the thigh. Bring it up and then squeeze. That's it. Tighten up. I'm going to firm up the upper part of the arm. The bicep. 8 minutes, you're going to have great arms, great upper body. Squeeze tight. There you go. That's it. Tighten up. A couple more good ones. Come on now. Hang in there with me. That's it. Squeeze. And squeeze. All right, now tricep extension. Bring the weights overhead, elbows in, and slowly extend the arms. Abdominals nice and tight, knees flexed. Right up. That's it. Working the back of the arms again. Last exercise, gang. Nice and easy. Abdominals tight, knees slightly bent. Takes pressure off the lower back. Bring it up. Give you great, sexy arms. We're almost done, gang. Hang in there. That's it. Couple more. Very good. And release. You did a great job. I'll see you in 24 hours. Good job, guys. Way to work. Way to work.